Welcome to the Think It Media podcast. I am your host, and today we will be diving into a common but high-risk scenario, a site redesign that accidentally kills search traffic and dries up leads. Stick with us. This episode is built to keep your rankings intact while you modernize your site.
Let's dive in. Imagine waking up the day after launch to a 40% drop in organic sessions. Your forms stop filling and the sales pipeline stalls. That's what we're preventing today by walking through 5 concrete checkpoints you can apply this week. Most definitely practical. No fluff.
Here's the promise. We cover 5 checkpoints: inventory and baseline, URL and redirect strategy, metadata and schema, navigation and internal linking, and launch QA plus rollback planning. By the end, you'll have a prioritized to-do list you can share with designers and developers, 100% actionable.
Section 1, inventory and baseline, then URL and redirect strategy. First, inventory. You need a list of high-value pages right now. Top traffic pages, top converting pages, and pages with inbound links. Export landing page performance from analytics and top pages from Search Console. Map conversions so design changes don't unintentionally remove form paths.
Exactly. Make a spreadsheet with page, traffic, conversions, referring domains, and crawl status. Then flag must-keep pages. These are the pages you either preserve exactly in the redesign or give highest priority for redirect rules. This upfront work saves weeks of frantic recovery later.
Now, URL and redirect strategy. If URLs change, plan redirects before launch. Use 301s for permanent moves and keep rules predictable. Pattern-based redirects are your friend, but test them thoroughly. Preserve canonical tags and avoid chains. A single bad redirect can sever link equity to dozens of pages.
Quick tests. Spin a staging environment. Apply your redirect rules. Then run a crawl from a crawler like Screaming Frog. Compare the staging crawl to your baseline export. Look for 404s and redirect chains. If you find unexpected 404s, fix them on staging before the public launch.
Section 2. Metadata, schema, and content signals, then navigation and internal linking. Start with metadata. Titles and meta descriptions shouldn't vanish in a template swap. Keep intent alignment. The new templates must output the same or better title structures and meta length that match user intent.
Structured data is often overlooked. If you had product, article, or FAQ schema previously, make sure the new templates generated correctly. Schema helps search features and click-throughs. Losing it can reduce visibility and rich results, even if rankings remain steady.
Content signals matter. Headings, H1s, and on-page content should preserve the same topical focus. If the new design compresses content into tabs or hides text behind JS without server-rendered HTML, you're risking devaluation. Most definitely test rendered HTML and ensure the bot sees the content.
Navigation and internal linking is next. Design changes that rework menus or remove category pages can break siloing in conversion flows. Keep the primary crawl paths intact. If you must change labels, add redirects, and update internal links from high-value pages first.
A practical trick. Export your site's internal link graph for the top sections and mark pages that funnel the most link equity. During the redesign, ensure those links remain present in templates or are programmatically transferred. I hear you. Preserving these tiny signals protects ranking strength.
Section 3. Launch QA and rollback plan, plus a quick case walkthrough and how Think It Media can help. Before you flip the public switch, run a pre-launch checklist, staging crawl parity, meta and schema spot checks, redirect validations, and conversion path testing. Set monitoring dashboards for the first 72 hours.
Decide rollback triggers ahead of time. For example, a sustained 30% organic decline across top landing pages for 2 consecutive days, a spike in 404s, or a drop in conversion rate beyond a set threshold. If triggers are met, have a tested rollback procedure that can restore the previous site within your SLA.
Quick case walkthrough. We had a mid-size e-commerce client planning a visual overhaul. Inventory flagged 120 high-value product pages. We preserved those URLs, applied schema checks on staging, and rolled out redirects for legacy category changes. Post-launch, we monitored Search Console and caught a single template that dropped meta titles, fixed in under 2 hours. Traffic dip, 0. Leads, steady. That's great when it works.
What saved that campaign was prioritization and repeatable tests. Inventory, redirects, and metadata checks were non-negotiable. If you can't do everything, focus on the pages that drive revenue and preserve their signals. That focus reduces risk and keeps teams from getting overwhelmed.
How ThinkIt Media helps? We run targeted SEO audits that export your high-value page inventory, build redirect maps, validate structured data on staging, and implement launch monitoring with rollback playbooks. We work alongside designers and devs, so Redesigns are traffic safe and lead ready. Sure thing. We make Redesigns a growth event, not a risk.
If you're planning a redesign and need a prioritized checklist, we can help with the inventory export, redirect planning, and pre-launch QA. Most definitely, small teams can protect rankings without a huge spend if they follow a focused plan.
Before we close, quick recap. 1. Inventory and baseline. 2. URL and redirect strategy. 3. Metadata and schema. 4. Navigation and internal linking. 5. Launch QA and rollback plan. Prioritize pages that drive revenue. Test on staging and monitor closely post-launch. Let's talk about this. If you have a redesign on the calendar, start with the inventory today.
Subscribe for more practical design and SEO tactics. We publish straightforward episodes like this to keep your search traffic and leads steady during change. That sounds great. We appreciate you listening and hope to have you back for our next episode.